Let's get something straight. The Honda NSR50 is a 50cc motorcycle that comes from the factory looking like it just rolled out of the Honda Racing Corporation's fever dream. Full fairing, race geometry, two-stroke engine, the aggressive crouch of a proper GP bike. On paper, it's a beginner's bike. In reality, it's a gateway to a very specific kind of madness. Honda built the NSR50 from 1987 through to the early 2000s and basically handed teenagers a scaled down replica of their full factory GP machinery. Same lines as the NSR500 Grand Prix bike that Freddie Spencer and Mick Doohan made famous. Except smaller, much smaller, but nobody told the NSR50 that. And it absolutely rides with that energy. That 49cc two-stroke single-cylinder engine pulls hard from low revs, has a proper power band that arrives with genuine aggression, and makes a sound that is completely unreasonable for something with an engine the size of a rock melon. When that power band hits, it doesn't suggest going faster, it demands it. At that point, your throttle hand and your common sense are having a very different conversation. Workshop reality. Two strokes are simple, right? Fewer moving parts, straightforward maintenance, easy life. Sure. Except the NSR50 will need the top end rebuilt periodically, and if the previous owner didn't know that, you're already starting from behind. The expansion chamber exhaust is a work of art and also an absolute nightmare to source in decent condition. Reeds, power valve, carb jetting, none of it is complicated, but all of it needs to be right. Or that power band goes from exciting to non-existent faster than you can say previous owner. Electrics are minimal, which is the one genuine gift of two-stroke ownership. Small mercy, you'll take it. Parts availability is patchy at best, heroic at worst. Japan is your friend, so is patience. So is that one forum thread from 2009 that somehow contains every answer you'll ever need. You know you're an NSR50 person when you've justified owning a 50cc race replica to a fully grown adult without a trace of embarrassment. When you've spent more on expansion chamber than on your kids' education. When someone asked if it was a toy and you didn't speak to them for a week. The NSR50 is a legend. Restore it properly, jet it correctly, and ride it like Doohan. Do yourself a favor, get over to my50.com, grab the manual, and stop guessing the air-to-fuel ratio. That two-stroke deserves respect. Small displacement, full aggression. Download the manual like a workshop boss.